We all want to look and feel our best as we age. It's a universal desire to maintain that youthful glow and vitality. The marketplace is flooded with expensive creams and serums, each one promising miraculous results and the secret to eternal youth. But what if I told you that the secret to youthful, radiant skin doesn't come in a fancy bottle? Instead, it lies in your kitchen among the natural ingredients you use every day. That's right. We can harness the power of nature's bounty to create a DIY anti-aging cream that rivals even the most luxurious store-bought alternatives. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing exactly what you're putting on your skin. This homemade cream, featuring the goodness of parsley, cornstarch, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and aloe vera, is not only effective but also free from harmful chemicals and preservatives. When you apply this natural concoction, your skin will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and noticeably younger. The blend of these ingredients works harmoniously to nourish and revitalize your skin. So why not take a step towards a more natural skincare routine? Embrace the power of nature's bounty and unlock your skin's true potential. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a skincare regimen that not only enhances your beauty, but also aligns with a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and DIY recipes. Let's embrace a healthier, more radiant you together. Often relegated to the sidelines of our plates as a garnish, parsley is a nutritional powerhouse with incredible benefits for our skin. This tiny green herb is more than just a decorative touch, it's a secret weapon in the quest for healthy, glowing skin. This humble herb is rich in vitamins K, C, and A, all essential for maintaining skin elasticity and combating signs of aging. These vitamins work together to nourish your skin from the inside out, providing a natural and effective way to enhance your beauty routine. Vitamin K helps reduce wrinkles and under-eye circles. It strengthens capillaries and improves blood circulation, which can diminish the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, giving you a more refreshed and youthful look. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and plump. Collagen is a vital protein that maintains the skin's structure, and with the help of vitamin C, your skin can stay resilient and youthful. Vitamin A acts as a natural exfoliant, sloughing away dead skin cells to reveal a brighter complexion. It promotes cell turnover, which helps to keep your skin smooth and clear, reducing the appearance of fine lines and blemishes. With parsley as our star ingredient, we're off to a great start. Incorporating parsley into your diet or skincare routine can provide a multitude of benefits, making it a versatile and valuable addition to your daily regimen. Whether you're adding it to your meals or using it in homemade beauty treatments, parsley is a small herb with big potential. Let's get our hands dirty and prepare our potent parsley mixture. Begin by washing a bunch of fresh parsley thoroughly under running water. Pat it dry with a clean kitchen towel. Next, separate the leaves from the stems, as we'll only be using the leaves for our cream. Finely chop the parsley leaves until you have about 2 tablespoons. This finely chopped parsley will infuse our cream with its potent anti-aging properties. Cornstarch magic, thickening and enhancing your cream. Now let's introduce cornstarch to our concoction. Cornstarch isn't just for thickening sauces and gravies, it works wonders in our anti-aging cream too. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to a small saucepan. Gradually whisk in half a cup of water until the cornstarch dissolves completely. Place the saucepan on low heat and stir continuously until the mixture thickens to a gel-like consistency. This cornstarch gel will provide the base for our cream, giving it a smooth and luxurious texture. Almond oil and vitamin E oil, nourishing and protecting your skin. In this section, we will explore the benefits of these 2 powerful ingredients and how they can be used to create a nourishing oil blend for your skincare routine. While the cornstarch mixture cools, let's prepare our nourishing oil blend. This blend will not only hydrate your skin, but also provide essential nutrients that promote a healthy, glowing complexion. In a separate bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. These 2 oils work synergistically to enhance the skin's natural barrier and improve its overall texture. Sweet almond oil is a natural emollient, meaning it softens and conditions the skin, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. It is rich in vitamins A and E, fatty acids, and proteins, which help to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant, protects your skin from environmental damage, further delaying the visible signs of aging. It helps to neutralize free radicals, which can cause premature aging and skin damage. Together, these oils create a potent blend that nourishes and revitalizes your skin. Regular use of this blend can improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Apply the blend to your face and neck, gently massaging it in with circular motions to ensure it is fully absorbed. Aloe vera, nature's soothing balm for youthful radiance. No anti-aging arsenal is complete without aloe vera, a true miracle worker for the skin. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing, hydrating, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a perfect addition to our cream. If you have an aloe vera plant, carefully cut off a leaf and extract 2 tablespoons of the gel. If not, you can use store-bought pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel soothes irritation, reduces redness, and promotes skin cell regeneration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized.